I'm Maria Rose Emora from 12 Patients, and I'm here to dictate the three uncommon words. Number one is picking, also known as pagtitipon or party. It is an occasion that is held for a long time, such as birthday party, welcoming, graduation, or christening, which is always done with a plan. Example, ang aming punong barangay ay nagsagawa ng isang malaking piging na kung saan lahat kami kanyang nasasakupan ay imbitado. Number 2 is kalupe. Kalupe, or known as wallet, are easy to use and carry by anyone. It is usually placed in a bag or pocket due to its easy to carry. Example, ang aking kalupe ay naiwan sa aming tahanan sa aking pamamadali, kung kaya't ito'y aking binalikan. Third is paineta. Paineta was once used by a woman as an ornament in their hair. It is a type of a comb with the various design that was used during the Spanish colonial period. Example, ang aking buhok ay magulo kung kaya't susuklayin ko ito gamit ang aking painet. And